knew that cardboard blanks would be so popular? Let's talk about it. Hello, good people. This is Sherry, and I made a video last week showing these cardboard blanks that I'm offering in my Shopify store. And boy, I got so many orders for these. I was just really impressed. In that video, I showed you how to cut some strips of fabric and wrap these blanks and just make a beautiful pair of earrings. It's as easy as anchoring the strip with your tacky glue and just wrapping around the form. And voila, you've got a beautiful pair of earrings, lightweight and stylish. I wanted to give you another couple of ways that you could design with these same blanks. When I cut the blank, I also cut the middle part out and I put a hole in that so you could make just a tiny little teardrop earring. Also, what you could do with the insert that I include is to take a piece of tape and tape the insert in there. So you put the insert back in so you have the whole teardrop again. And then you can style an earring, a regular teardrop that's not a hoop. So I'll show you how to do that. So here you have two styles of earrings using these same teardrops. And now, if you want to combine them, you have some other statement earrings. There's a couple of different ways that you can style these. So in this pack, there are 20 pairs, so 40 pieces, plus 40 pieces of the inserts. So really, you can make between 20 and 40 pair of earrings just from this one set of blanks. So if you're interested in picking these blanks up, there is a link in the description. This is Sherry, owner and designer for Sherika Originals Handcrafted Gifts, where we help you create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. You know the drill. Please like, share, leave me a comment, hype, all the great things. Thank you so much, and I appreciate every one of you. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.